Hi folks, welcome to Opus Antiques. We got here a 14 karat solid gold repeater pocket watch. Beautiful case, as you can see. In good condition for its age. It's a nice thick case. Let me open it up and show you here. There we go. Opens to a perfect 90 degrees. Hallmark 14K. Beautiful dial. As mentioned in the description, the watch keeps good time, or has been keeping good time. The only issue is the repeater function does not chime properly. Let's demonstrate that here. It only chimes the hours. Sometimes it skips an hour, sometimes it adds an hour, and it does not chime the quarter hours. Just going 5 times. It's a lever set, so you move the lever there. Move it up to say set that. Slide here. Again, it does not chime the quarter hours, and instead of 8, it chimed 10 times. So the repeater does need an adjustment. Other than that, it's been keeping great time. The chronometer works. Stop, and then reset this off a little bit from the 12. As you can see, you probably needs a little bit of an adjustment. Put it back here. Again, the case is Hallmark 14K. The little squirrel gold logo, so it's from Switzerland up on the top. Again, beautiful case, not a flimsy case, it's a nice thick case, as you can see. And then the movement on the back has a glass cover on it to protect it from dust, damage. And again, the case is signed 14K again. And then there's also a Swiss gold mark right here on the edge of the case there. So you can zoom in on the movement. There we go. Again, mentioned earlier, it works, but the repeater function does probably need an adjustment or a repair. And that is a solid pocket watch, real heavy. It's approximately 56 millimeters in diameter. The case one more time. Beautiful eye appeal. Just a great pocket watch overall. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching our video.